This video is for aspiring authors who want to make a living off their writing. If you only write for fun, and don't care whether you make any money off your work, I wish you all the best, but this video is not for you. If, however, your goal is to make a living doing what you love, and you love to write, then you'll want to stick around. In 4 different series on this channel, I'm going to walk you through the steps I took to become a professional, full-time, self-published author, and tell you exactly how you can do it too. I'm a Western Canadian self-published author who writes non-fiction books on Canadian history and folklore. I've finally reached a point where I'm making a modest living off my writing, which is something I've wanted to do for as long as I can remember. I'm certainly not rich by Western standards, but I'm finally making a living doing what I love, and I wouldn't trade that for all the money in the world. I'm gonna be honest, it took a lot of time and a lot of hard work to get where I am now, but with the information I'm going to give you on this channel, you'll be able to learn from my mistakes and achieve your goals far more quickly than I did. This path requires a lot of persistence and a willingness to learn new skills, but if you put in the effort, I have no doubt that you will succeed. In this video, I'm going to outline the different series on this channel, which contain the steps you need to become a successful self-published author. I should let you know right away that one tool you'll need to precisely follow these steps is a personal computer with Microsoft software. I've always been a PC guy, and I'm not entirely familiar with Mac computers. I'm sure you'll be able to follow along just fine if you own a Mac, but some steps may require a little more creativity on your part. I'm also going to proceed under the assumption that you have either already written a book or are planning to write one. This channel will essentially teach you how to self-publish your book, and if there is enough interest, effectively market it, but does not touch on how to actually write or structure your book. In series number 1, I'll walk you through the steps you need to take to self-publish a paperback copy of your book on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, which, in my opinion, is the best self-publishing platform on the market right now. I'll teach you how to format your book for print, create a cover that complies with KDP's specifications, tell you what an International Standard Book Number, or ISBN, is, and how to get one, and guide you through the KDP self-publishing process. In series number 2, I'll teach you how to self-publish an ebook version of your book on Amazon KDP, Kindle being the largest ebook platform in the world right now. I'll teach you how to format your manuscript for digital publication, and will walk you through the KDP self-publishing process. In series number 3, I'll teach you how to self-publish an audiobook version of your book on acx.com, which, in my opinion, is the best self-publishing platform for audiobooks on the market right now. ACX is the website which puts your audiobooks up on audible.com, and Audible is currently the largest and most popular audiobook platform in the world. Some authors who publish on ACX make deals with voice actors, in which the latter receive a large percentage of the profit in exchange for narrating. I've never done that, and have only ever narrated my own books, and so that's what I'm going to teach you how to do. I'll teach you what equipment you'll need to narrate your book yourself, how to polish your audio, and how to self-publish your finished audiobook on ACX. If there is sufficient interest in this channel, I may produce series number 4, in which I'll teach you the most important skill of all, namely how to market or advertise your book. If you don't know how to market your book, then you probably won't get very many book sales. I've personally found YouTube to be the most successful avenue by which to market my writing, and have built a YouTube channel with 115,000 subscribers and counting. I'm going to teach you how to do the same thing yourself. I'll teach you how to produce videos, create animations, add music and sound effects to your videos, create eye-catching thumbnails, and optimize your videos for maximum viewership. At the end of this series, I may leave you with a very valuable tip, which will allow you to achieve success far more quickly than I did. So make sure to watch series number 4 until the very end. I wish you the best of luck on your self-publishing journey, and sincerely hope this channel helps you achieve the success you deserve. Check out the different series on this channel's homepage to get started, or find them by clicking the links in the description.